Weather has its own charm, but not every weather is good for your car. The weather is always unpredictable and uncertain. But what's for sure is you can still take care of your car no matter what the weather may bring. Introducing Rust Smash by Maruti Suzuki, that not just takes care of corrective maintenance but also protects your car's exposed parts from moisture. That is the main cause of rust. It loosens, lubricates, cleans and protects. It helps in loosening wheel nuts, shocker struts, injectors, underbody assemblies and much more. It also helps in lubrication of moving mechanical parts and linkages like wipers, locks, hinges, glass front channel and side mirrors. Not just this, but it also cleans and dries moisture from cake battery terminals and relays. It also helps remove unwanted stickers from window glasses. Rust Smash is a perfect product to take care of tough jobs easily. You can now rely on Rust Smash and use it to save downtime and costly maintenance to keep your car weather safe.